We're in the hospital here. Let's see what they have to eat. So the hospital serves Coke. It's probably not the best thing. What else do they have here? Coleslaw. That part's good. Chicken. Why would a hospital serve dead animals? Mediterranean chicken. More dead animals. Here's a good one. Look at that. They serve dead pigs. Dead pigs and dead cows. And tuna. Has anybody seen Cowspiracy? How about Seaspiracy? Imagine a hospital that serves grilled cheese. Do you know how bad cheese is for you? Filled with salt, filled with fat. And do you know what happens to the cows in the industry? Watch Dairy is Scary to find out. Google Dairy is Scary for the cheese. Watch Seaspiracy to understand why you should never eat tuna or salmon. And to find out about the chickens, go to a website called...
I hear you telling somebody your menu. We have no more BLTs or grilled cheese because the grill is shut off.
Oh, okay, thank you.
So we just have like the plain sandwiches that don't have to go on the grill.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, so, all right, thank you.
Chicken, ham, eggs, salmon, tuna.
Okay, thank you. So she's informing me that they still have all the dead animals. Okay, chocolate milk. By the way, chocolate milk does not come from a brown cow. Do not drink this kind of milk. It comes from a cycle of violence that is the dairy industry. White milk is no better. Watch the documentary, Dairy is Scary. Watch Cowspiracy to find out why you shouldn't eat cows. And what do we have here? We have the dairy industry. We have some cheese. That's terrible. We have a dead pig there in the sausage, and we have egg. Go to a website called egg-truth.com to find out why you should never eat eggs. Bread is fine. All of these cakes and pies, they contain eggs or milk. They are not vegan. Every hospital should be vegan food only. No hospital should be bringing death into the front doors. This is good, and this is good. These things are not good. Why do you suppose that hospitals haven't figured out that they shouldn't give these products to patients? Money. That's it. Lack of education, lack of will to be educated, and because they make money. When you go to your hospital, make sure that you tell them that you're vegan and that you refuse to eat any dead animals. Tell them also to not put dead animals in the hospital. Don't bring dead bodies in. A hospital is supposed to help people get better. It's not supposed to put death into their bodies. Everyone can be vegan. All it means is that you do your best to never buy animals again, and that's easy. Put veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate, so open up your heart. Everyone can be vegan. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has stated it. You can be vegan if you're a newborn, if you're a child, if you're a teenager. You can be vegan if you are an adult, a nursing mother, a pregnant mother, or a grandparent. There's no excuse for animal abuse, and hospitals should know better than to do this. Thanks for watching, and remember, lastly, I didn't show you the yogurt. Don't buy yogurt. Yogurt also comes from the dairy industry. Thanks for watching. Coming up on the screen, you're going to be seeing different videos. Feel free to click on them if you haven't seen them yet. If you want to subscribe, that would be a great idea. You can call into my comment section and talk to me about all of the things that you have experienced. Tell me about your vegan journey. How was it? How many clicks did it take you to become vegan?